How to use Composer Automated Strategy app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Composer is one of the most powerful platforms for automated investing strategies, but most users don't realize how easy it is to misuse. Here's how to use Composer properly. The biggest mistake is overcomplicating strategies. Composer lets you build symphonies of rules and triggers, but beginners often stack too many indicators at once. More rules don't mean more profit, they just create noise. Start simple and test thoroughly. Next, don't ignore backtesting. Composer gives detailed historical simulations. Skipping that step means you're flying blind, not knowing how your strategy might have handled real-world conditions. Another mistake: changing strategies too quickly. Automation needs time to prove itself. Constant switching resets your results and ruins performance tracking. Pro tip: follow community symphonies first. You can learn how successful users structure and optimize this before building your own. And here's the surprising truth: the best Composer investors don't chase perfect strategies, they refine good ones patiently. Used properly, Composer automates logic-driven investing, freeing you from emotional decisions and giving your portfolio the consistency it deserves.